Hi, I'm John, the founder at Babihub. We're using smart technology to improve early years health and education. The early years is a pivotal part of growth, and it's incredibly important that young children develop positive habits around being physically active. This is because recent research has shown that 1 in 5 children, by the time they get to primary school, are already overweight. And even more worryingly, 9 in 10, 90% of 2 to 4 year olds do not meet the requirements for physical activity per day. But being physically active is about more than weight. It's about encouraging exploration, improving gross motor skills, and research has shown that being physically active improves brain development. We know that young children spend a lot of time at nurseries, with some children spending up to 50 hours per week. So we felt this was the best place to have the greatest initial impact. Over the last few months, we spent time at different nurseries across London, talking to staff, observing daily behaviours, and trying to understand more about how they currently monitor early years development. And something came back glaringly obvious. Nurseries are currently overwhelmed with reporting, and they have an impractical job. And as a result, it's incredibly difficult for them to collect data on early years development, and in particular, physical activity. And they lack the tools they need to be able to collect data without adding to this already stretched workload. At Babihub, we believe the solution is to combine smart technology with interactive play that will allow the nurseries to monitor and encourage the children to be more physically active. Utilizing our technology, data is collected autonomously and continuously, which is hyper efficient for the staff. They can then use this data combined with our technology to encourage the children to be more physically active. But how does it work? Each one of the children wears play vest. Play vest combines our wearable technology with a garment and is worn by each of the children. Within the nursery, they then set up interactive zones using our treehouse sensors. These two technologies combined then allow the nurseries to monitor how physically active the children are, where they play within the nursery, and who they play with. For these products and services, we plan to charge a subscription service to the nurseries on a termly per child basis of £30 per term. For this subscription, they get access to the hardware, analytical insights from the data that we collect, and the digital services. But we believe we offer more. The nursery market is becoming increasingly competitive, and nurseries need to show unique selling points to parents who are increasingly asking more. Every time we talk to parents, they keep saying to us, we want to know more about what happens in the nursery. And we believe our tools provide an efficient tool for the nurseries. What have we achieved to date? We've developed working prototypes of a product. We've designed and built our product from scratch into a works like form factor. We've built multiple customer relationships with different nurseries across London. And we won a smart innovation voucher from Innovate UK. In the next 2 months, we're currently setting up a pilot with a leading nursery chain in London. And by February next year, we're targeting to get our product into 3 further nurseries across London. And by the end of next year, we have a target of 10 nurseries across the UK. But the market is much bigger. There are 23,500 nurseries across the UK alone, offering on average 45 places per nursery. And the market is estimated at 5.6 billion. But our ambition is much greater. We want our products to get in not just the nurseries in the UK, but the homes. And not just in the UK, but worldwide, particularly in the US. What's the team to deliver this? I'm Dr. Jonathon Hughes. I have a background in child health. I did my doctorate in medical engineering, focused on traumatic brain injury in young children. Stelios is a passionate electronics engineer. Previously worked for a successful London edtech startup. And Dr. Michael Curtis is a software developer who has a background in machine learning, and he completed an astrophysics PhD from Cambridge. But what's next? And that's where you guys come in. We're currently looking for an edtech advisor to join our board. So if you've got any introductions, that'd be much welcomed. And in February next year, we're planning to raise our SEIS round, and we're looking for introductions to early stage investors who are happy to work with hardware and ideally have experience in the parent tech early years sector. I'm John, we are Babihub, and come say hello. We're just by the stairs.